Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll add pause and resume buttons in our game. So if you not seen before videos, the link was available in description. You can find all the tutorials, and if you not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. In this channel you can learn lot many things related to tech and sometimes about motivation. Let's watch this amazing video. Yes, in before tutorial we done with menu creation and game over scene. Yes, of course we added buttons, we worked more. Now in this tutorial we are working with pause and resume menu. So pause and resume buttons. So how to add the pause and resume buttons to our game. So you can see if I playing the game, I need to pause, again I need to resume. So for that I want to create a two buttons which was there. So just go to canvas and you can find lot many things, right? So in that canvas, just right click and create a UI. Just you can create like text mesh pro button, and you can see the text mesh pro button was created. I think you are able to see in output also. And just click this one and make to, just go to here and make like alt shift and just click this one, and just go here and resize the button also, and just make this one as pause, just make as a pause, and in that having the text also pause. And you can change the colors, that is normal color should be white, and the highlighted color should be yellow, and pressed color should be, if you want green, yes of course you can. So if you want green you can, yes. Now just I'll play the button how it was working. We can see that, yeah, yeah, if I click, yes, it's working fine. And I just didn't love the yellow color, just I'll change, yes. Now we'll create a new script. Just go to scripts folder, and of course just create resume also. Just control V and make it as this side. So I think you are not able to see, just make this one timer how it was working. We can see, yeah, yes, not bad, it's good. Just maximize and no need to worry about this, just make this, yes, and make this one as resume button, as resume. So rename it as resume. Yes, we done, right? So just increase the size. Yeah, it's bad, it's not good. So just increase, yes, it's okay. If you want to increase the size, you can increase the button size, that is like here. So make this like, right, so here you can't able to see, and here you can see that, yes, it's working cool, pretty good. So just make here, otherwise you can change, of course it's good. And now my task is like, if you uh in middle of the game, if you want to create, like if you want to pause, the game should pause, and if you want to resume, again it should be resume. So for that I want to create a new script. Just go to new script and create a new script, that name it as res pause, pause and pause script. Okay, it's okay. So just open the script and write here about pause and resume. Just I'll create a new two functions, which is, I'll name this one, two functions I'll name as a pause and resume. So just make it as public, so void pause button, so pause button. So here time dot time scale. So if you want to pause, it should be 0, right? So if you want to resume, it should be like 1, right? So just create another script that is public void resume button and time dot time scale. So time dot time scale is equal to 1. Just control S and now just control S and just go to canvas. First of all, we need to add the script, right? So just add the script, name it as a pause. Be done with pause script. Yes, of course it's added. Now just drag this one and just drag this canvas here and keep here and make to pause and pause button. And now just resume, just drag this one and drop here. So just drag the canvas and drop and make it as a resume. Now we can check how it was working. Just maximize and play here. So if I play the button, how it was working, pause, yes, it's working, and resume, yes, it's working fine. So quit, play again, of course it's working. So pause, yes, resume, yes, it's working. So this is the way, and you can make here also quit if you want to quit this game. So you can add the quit button also. If you want to add the quit button in the game, you can add quit button also if you want to add. So this is the way to add pause and resume. And I want to do one thing. So if I pause the button, I don't want to see resume button. So if I resume again, I'll show pause button. So for that, just go to script and do some coding related to that. So just make, first of all, in start, so first of all we need to take the game objects, right? Just make it as public. So game objects, name it as what you want, that is pause button and resume button. Just make it as pause button, make it as the resume button, make it as resume button, and initially pause button should be true. So pause button dot game object, you can make it as like set active true. So game object dot set active true, and resume button. So you can see resume button dot game object dot set active false. Just control S, and we need to write like true or false, right? So we need to write like true or false. So just we already added that pause button and resume button, right? So we'll work with that. Initially it's to be true and initially to be false. If I press this one, it should like come like a, again it should add to like false, and again it's like true. So just go here, and instead of writing these two things, I want to write like only one thing, which is uh, just I'm changing the changes and just make this one as I want to pass parameter. Just make this one and create a new thing, that is public void. So pause and resume buttons, make it as like this, and just create this one. And in these, we want to create one bool function I want to pass here. Just make it as bool is pause. So I'm passing one parameter which is bool. I know you all of us know about bool, it's true or false. So I'll write if condition, if it is pause, so if it is pause, then time scale should be 0, and time scale should be 0, as well as it should be false. So pause button should be false, and again resume button should be true, right? So for that, just I'll copy this and paste here. So pause button should be false if I click that one, and resume button should be true. Okay, so just in else write that is, just copy this one and paste it here. So it should be in resume, it should be like 1, and again it should be pause button should be true and resume button should be false. So just control S. Oh shit. FALSE. Just control S and go here. So just go to here because we need to work with, right? So just missing pause button. Just we added pause. We added like which one, pause and resume bool. And here you can see here also we added pause and resume bool. Now just play here and how it was working we can see. Uh, so initially we are seeing this game object, right? Why it was showing? Because we need to drag the buttons, right? Just go to here and we need to drag pause and resume buttons. So we need to drag, then only it's going to work. We added. Now you can check here, you can play here, and I'll maximize. You can see pause is work. Yes, my resume was unchecked. So just because I given false. So just pause. So shut. Play game. Just pause. It's saying that pause button variable. It's null exception. So just inspector, I think not working. So just click this one. Why it was not working? We need to check, right? Just you can see here how it was working. Yes, it's working because I forgot to uncheck. Unfortunately, yes. Now you can see. If I don't forget to check this one because I made it's in bool, right? So if it's pause, automatically it should resume, right? If you it's working now. You can see initially my pause button only should be true. So my resume button should be false. And if I pause, you can see the resume button. If I resume my pause button, yes, it's working. It's working. Yes, it's working. My game was also over. So pause, resume, and you can make as a quit button also. You can add here. So that's it. I think you enjoyed this tutorial. So I'll make another tutorial that is final touch-ups of all overall game, and finally we'll build the game. So thank you.
I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you want to ask